How about Senator Alan Cayetano na naging running mate din po naman ni President Duterte? Hindi nyo consider siya na siya yung gawing Senate President?
Nakausap din namin siya. Kinausap niya kami. Kaya lang nung kausapin niya kami, I think during that time he had about 4 members of the incoming Senate that were supporting him. Pero nung mag-usap kami, to be very candid about it, meron na kagad siyang mga sinasabi na posisyon na dapat si ganito, si ganyan. At meron din siya sinasabi na itong posisyon na to hindi pwede kay ganyan, hindi pwede kay ganon. Without naming names, ganun yung dating niya. So, when I went back to our group, I had Senator Honasan with me when we met with him. And then the next time we met, kami na lang dito sa session. When I went back to the group to tell them about what we talked about, they were not excited about it. They were not happy about that kind of situation. So we decided to explore other possibilities, invite other members of the incoming Senate to join the group of 9, and we were able to invite Coco Pimentel. Coco came to join us in a dialogue at he was very open. You know, the openness of Coco Pimentel was very inviting dahil wala siyang do's and don'ts. He just wanted to support the ideas, the values, the programs that we wanted to pursue. So pagdating ni Coco Pimentel sa usapan, payag na payag siya. And he did not also say that he wanted to be Senate President then, yet, nung mag-usap kami. It just so happens na siyempre, people were thinking na siya naman ang party president, kaya he's up for it also.
Sir, may we know what are those do's and don'ts na ini-impose ni Senator Alan na hindi acceptable sa majority?
Ayaw nilang chairman ng public order si Ping Lacson. Tingin namin siya ang pinakabagay doon.
Bukod doon, sir.
Diba? And then, they did not want Senator Loren as chairman of finance. They did not want Senator Pacquiao as chairman of games and amusements. I cannot recall the others. They wanted the Senate presidency. They wanted some other committees, ganun. So, offhand, tatlo kagad sa mga stalwarts namin ang hindi pwede. Paano kami, di ba?